good morning to you all. So class, you all are prepared to begin with classes today? Very good. So slowly and steadily we are moving towards our exams. Yes, धीरे धीरे अब क्या हो रहा है? Syllabus is getting compiled and we are going to start our revisions. So following that, today we are going to do revision of a topic in maths. And I know still one or two students are having confusion in it. So let's have a revision of the topic descending order. Yes. So can anyone tell me what is the date? It's 2nd February 2021. What is the date today? 2nd February 2021. And we are going to do the revision of descending order. So before starting the work, you have to tell me one thing. What is descending order? How we arrange numbers in descending order? Can anyone tell me? Biggest to smallest? Yes, smallest to biggest. So you have to be very clear about it when we are talking of descending order. Descending order says arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. Clear? So as I always say, always write the order you have to follow to solve this. So what we are going to do? We are going to arrange numbers from biggest to smallest. Clear? I'll write again. So arranging numbers from biggest to smallest means descending order. Clear? So now look at the first series here and tell me which is the biggest number. Yes, look at the first series. We have 40, 45, 70. This is not 10. So don't get confused. This is 70. Okay. Then we have 90 and 60. So can anyone tell me which is the biggest number? ये वाले जो भी आपको numbers दिए हुए हैं इस series में biggest number कौन सा है? Which is biggest of all? Biggest is बड़ा, सबसे बड़ा. So the सबसे बड़ा number here is 40, 45, 70, 90, 60. जब आप इन numbers को read करोगे तभी आपको पता लग जाएगा that 70 is the biggest. So first we are going to copy that 70. Is that clear? And after that cross जरूर करना है. हर बार मैम बता रही है. आप लोग कंफ्यूज इसलिए हो रहे हो बेटा. Those who are not putting the cross here, वही बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं. After copying the number, don't forget to cross it. ठीक है, क्रॉस करना बहुत जरूरी है क्योंकि जब क्रॉस कर लेंगे then there will be no confusion. हर बार बस बिग नंबर कॉपी करना है और जो नंबर कॉपी करा है उसको क्रॉस करना है. It is as simple as that. Because you are not putting a cross, you are getting confused. Okay? So now after 70, let's read these numbers once again and see now. अब जो बचे हुए numbers हैं उसमें biggest कौन सा है? So we have 40, 45, 19, 60. Can you tell me which is the biggest now? देखो मैं आपने 70 रीड भी नहीं करा बिकॉज उसको हमने क्रॉस कर दिया. तो जो नंबर आप क्रॉस कर रहे हो यू डोंट हैव टू रीड आल्सो क्योंकि वो तो क्रॉस हो गया ना. क्रॉस का मतलब वो हट गया वहां से. ओके. सो नाउ टेल मी व्हिच इज द बिगेस्ट हियर. 14, 45, 19, 60. So the biggest number now will be 60, right? So what we are going to do? We'll copy that here and we are going to put cross. Is that clear? Now you have You have to follow this order, biggest to smallest. तो अब और इजी क्या करना है, बस बिगेस्ट जो बचे हुए नंबर्स हैं उनमें से हर बार बिगेस्ट नंबर लिखते जाइए. क्लियर? सो नाउ 14, 45 and 19. So biggest will be 45. So let's copy that here and put a cross here. Understood? Now we have 14 and 19. So can you tell me 14 और 19 में big कौन सा है? 19 is big. So we are going to copy 19 here and cross it. Cross साथ के साथ करना है आपको. जैसे ही आपने नंबर नीचे कॉपी करा, कॉपी करते ही आप दूसरा नंबर बाद में लिखोगे. फर्स्ट यू आर गोइंग टू क्रॉस दैट नंबर जो हमने कॉपी कर लिया है. Is that clear? Okay. After 19 we are only left with one number because बाकी numbers तो cross हो गए हैं. So now we are going to copy that number here 14 and we will cross this also. Now see 70, 60, 45, 19, 14. अब आप देखेंगे तो बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट हो गए ना ये सारे नंबर्स. बिग, स्मॉल, उससे स्मॉल, उससे स्मॉल, सबसे स्मॉल. तो हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गया ना, बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट वाला. Isn't it? So this is how you are going to do this descending order. बस आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, descending is जिसमें आप सबसे बिग नंबर फर्स्ट लिखते हो and ascending जो हम स्मॉल से शुरू करते हैं. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. Next we have is 35, 10, 12, 90. So what number is this? 90 and 61. So now tell me among these numbers which is the biggest. अब ये वाले जो numbers हैं, अगर आप इन्हें ध्यान से read करेंगे, then you have to tell me which number is the biggest of all. We have 35, 10, 12, 90 and 61. So the biggest one is 90. So what we are going to do? We'll copy that 90 and cross it here. Understood? Now we have 35, 10, 12, 61. So can you tell me which is the biggest now? Think of it. 61. Yes. So we are going to write 61 and we will cross it here. ठीक है? Now we have 35, 10 and 12. Now out of these three numbers, can anyone tell me which is the biggest? 35, 10 and 12. So the biggest number is 35. So what we are going to do? We'll copy 35 and put a cross here. Like this. Now we have 10 and 12. So what are the two numbers we have now? One is 10 and one is 12. So which one is the bigger? इन दोनों में बड़ा कौन है? 12 is greater ना? बड़ा 12 है. So we are going to write 12. Put a cross. Now last we left is with only 10. So what we are going to do? We'll copy here and put a cross. Is that clear? Now let's see whether we have written it from biggest to smallest or not. So we have 90, उससे small 61, उससे small 35, उससे small 12 और 12 से small 10. That means again we have done it correctly and we have followed this rule, biggest to smallest. Clear all? Great. Now next we have is 90, then 8, 87, 50 and 0. So just have a look to these numbers again, read them again carefully and then tell me which number is the biggest one. We have 90, then 8, then 87, 50 and 0. So can you tell me which number is biggest here? 90 is biggest. Yes, again we have 90 here. So we are going to copy 90 and put a cross here. Clear? Now we have 8, 87, 50 and 0. So can you tell me now which one is biggest? 8, 87, 50, 0. 87 is biggest. So we are going to copy 87 and cross it. देखो जब भी आप देख रहे होंगे मैम नंबर कॉपी करते ही फर्स्ट उसको ऊपर वाली लाइन से क्रॉस कर देती हैं, वही करना है. इफ यू आर नॉट पुटिंग अ क्रॉस यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज. आप बार बार कंफ्यूज हो गए होगे बेटा. सो यू हैव टू पुट अ क्रॉस एवरी टाइम यू आर कॉपिंग द नंबर. इज दैट क्लियर? ओके, नाउ वी हैव 8, 50 and 0. So can you tell me which number should I copy? 50. Yes. So I'll write 50 here and I'll put a cross here. Now we have 8 and 0. So where everyone know 8 will come here and 0. Is that clear? Okay. Now I have some numbers here. They are a little tricky. 17, 70, 73, 77, 76. All having some sevens in them. Isn't it? So now tell me which is the biggest number. 17, 17, 70, 73, 77 and 76. So which is the biggest? 77 is the biggest. Yes, very good. So now let's copy that. So 77 and cross it here. Now we have, again let's read them. 17, 70, 73 and 76. So can you tell me which is the biggest now? 76. Very good. So we'll write 76. आप देखेंगे we are doing backward counting, isn't it? Now tell me, just read these three numbers and tell me which is the biggest now. 73 is the biggest, so we'll write 73. Now we have 17 and 70. So can you tell me which is the biggest now? 17 or 70? 70. Very good. So we'll copy 70. Put a cross and now last we left with 17 and that we are going to write and cross it. क्रॉस जरूर करना है. लास्ट नंबर कॉपी करने के बाद उसको भी क्रॉस करना है. क्लियर? आप ये समझ लीजिए कि क्रॉस करना बहुत जरूरी है, उतना ही जितना नीचे करेक्टली लिखना. क्लियर? ओके. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन, वी हैव अरेंज्ड गिवन नंबर्स फ्रॉम बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट. जब बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट होता है तो उस ऑर्डर को हम क्या कहते हैं? ये जो पर्पल कलर से जो मैम ने नंबर्स लिखे हैं, these numbers are written in descending order. Is that clear? कैसे लिखे हुए हैं? They are written in descending order. Understood? Now let's move towards our notebook, our today's work, and understand what we are going to do in notebook. Obviously descending order ही करेंगे. So I have some different numerical series there. Different numbers हैं. Let's solve them also, and then you will do your work. Okay, class? So class, now open your maths notebook and first thing is write today's date, classwork and topic. So you all know to do that yourself. Don't take any help from elders now because you are all grown up, okay? So the first thing we are going to do is write date. So what's that? 2nd February 2021. Clear? And after this, please mention classwork. So, the topic is descending order. So, what we are going to do and first, यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? We are going to first write how we will arrange these numbers from biggest to smallest. Yes. So write down that here. Biggest to smallest. अब आफ्टर राइटिंग दिस ना यू विल बी वेरी मच कंफर्टेबल. आपको बार बार चेक करना नहीं पड़ेगा एंड इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल्सो. क्लियर? सो नाउ लेट्स सी द नंबर्स गिवन हियर. 22, 40, 7, 14 and 35. So we have to arrange from biggest to smallest. That means every time first we will see the biggest number. So can you tell me which is the biggest here? 22, 40, 7, 14, 35. So the biggest number we have here is 40. Yes? So what we will do, we'll copy that 40 first and then put a cross here. Now we have 22, 7, 14, 35. So the number that we are going to write here will be, yes, which one? 35. So we'll write 35 and cross. Now we have 22, 7, 14. So can you tell me? 22, 7, 14. 22 will come now. So yes, we are going to copy 22 and put a cross here. Now we have 7 and 14. So which one is the bigger one? 14 is bigger. So we'll write that. Put a cross here. And last 7 is left. So we'll write 7 and cross. Now check that the numbers we have written are from biggest to smallest or not. 40. Then we have 35. 22, 14, 7. That means we have written them correctly from biggest to smallest. Clear all? Okay. Now next we have is 14, 10, 25, 11, 30. अब बताइए in this series which is the biggest? 14, 10, 25, 11 and 30. So the biggest will be 30. Yes. So what you are going to do? Copy 30 and cross it from here. Now we have 14, 10, 25, 11. बताइए जल्दी से. 25. Very good. So copy 25 and cross from this from the upper line. Now we have 14, 10, 11. अब biggest कौन सा है? 14 है. So we will copy 14. Now we have 10 and 11. अब बताइए 10 और 11 में से बड़ा कौन सा है? 11. So copy 11. And last we are going to copy 10 and put a cross here. Understood? Now we have 15, 75, 80, 19 and 49. अब बताइए इनमें से बिग कौन सा है? 15, 75, 80, 19, 45. Which one is big? Biggest. Big नहीं, sorry, biggest. 80 is biggest. Yes. So we will copy 80 and cross from here. Now tell me the biggest one. 15, 75, 19, 45. 75. Yes. तो अब हम इसको कॉपी करेंगे. Now we have 15, 19, 49. So we have 49 here. We will write 49 and cross. Now we have 15 and 19. So can you tell me which one is bigger? 19 is bigger. So we will copy 19 and cross. Last we have 15. So copy 15 and cross. So we have 80, 75, 49, 19, 15. Done all? Next we have is 35, 70, 55, 90, 65. Now tell me the biggest. 90. So write 90. Now 35, 70, 55, 65. 70. तो अब हम 70 को कॉपी कर रहे हैं. अब बताइए, अब 35, 55 और 65 में बिग कौन सा है? 65. So write 65. Now it is these two numbers. Which one is bigger? 55. And last we are going to write 35. Is that clear? So see, we have done 90, 70, उससे small 65, उससे small 55 और सबसे small 35. That means biggest to smallest. Clear? So this is how you will do your work. Now to moving towards homework. Practice same what you have done in classwork. You are going to practice same topic but with different numbers on the other side on this page. Clear? हमें टॉपिक सेम रखना है बट नंबर्स चेंज करने हैं. Am I clear to everyone? So class, I hope you have understood today's work. Keep practicing all the topics that we have done. One by one, I'll also start taking the practice, but you have to do it seriously. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस मैम ने बोला है, it's okay मम्मा कर लेंगे. Some of you do it like that, I know. So please be regular with all the work and submit me your work timely also. Clear? Practice को बहुत ध्यान से लेना है. You have to do it, compulsory है, so that you can score well. Not only score well, you have to learn these concepts as well. Okay? So finish your work and then get ready for the next class. Bye. Take care.